The HAVN HS 420 PC case features a unique dual-chamber design that optimizes airflow to keep your graphics card cool and performing at its best. With the ability to accommodate up to 11 140mm fans and 3 420mm radiators, this case provides impressive cooling potential and compatibility. The heat-formed unisheet glass panel offers a clear, panoramic view of your system's internals, ensuring minimal visual distortion for an aesthetically pleasing setup. The SimpliCable routing system and PWM fan hub allow for neat and user-friendly cable management, enhancing the overall look of your build. This case is highly customizable, providing sufficient space for various combinations of storage, fans, and radiators, along with a VESA display mount for added versatility. Flexible rubber pads on the fan brackets help isolate vibrations, preventing resonance buildup and maintaining a quiet and smooth operation.